Hello students, in this video we will talk about de-lexical verbs. आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे de-lexical verbs जिसमें have, take, make, give, go and do आते हैं। आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि हम अक्सर कॉमन verbs को यूज़ करते हैं, चाहे वो have हो या take हो। उसको हम यूज़ करते हैं nouns के साथ, like a shower, a drink. For example, I took a shower. और हम past में लिख सकते हैं I showered. She had a drink means she drank something. We call these de-lexical verbs because the important part of the meaning is taken out of the verb and put into the noun. We often put adjectives in front of the noun. जैसे I took a cold shower. अब हमने noun से पहले क्या रख लिया? adjective को. She had a nice refreshing drink. तो अब आप समझ ही गए होंगे कि इसे de-lexical verbs क्यों कहा जाता है, क्योंकि important part जो है उसके meaning का उसको verb से अलग कर दिया जाता है और इसे नाउन के साथ रख दिया जाता है। The verbs used most frequently in this way are have, take, make, give. अगर हम have की बात करें तो we use have with food and drink, a meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, a cup of tea. Talking, a chat, a conversation, a discussion, a talk. Washing, a bath, जैसे हम कह देते हैं have a bath, have a shower, have a wash, have a scrub. ओके, तो इस तरह से हम have के साथ डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस के जो शब्द हैं उनको यूज़ कर सकते हैं। With resting we can use have by saying have a break, have a holiday, have a rest. For disagreeing हम यूज़ करेंगे an argument, a dispute, a fight, a quarrel. और कुछ सेंटेंसेस हैं I had a good breakfast before I left home. We had a long talk about the problem. The kids should have a bath before they go to bed. She generally had a short holiday in July or August. They had a serious quarrel about their father's will. We also use have with nouns formed from verbs. She had a bite of the cake. I am thirsty. I am going to have a drink of water. I had a listen to that new CD in the car. They are going to have a swim. Some more examples. We took hundreds of photographs on holiday. Jane always takes a lot of trouble with her homework. We also use take with some nouns formed from verbs. जब कुछ nouns verb से बनाई जाती हैं तो वहाँ भी हम take को इस्तेमाल करते हैं। I think you should take a look at this. Let's take a walk. They are going to take a swim. De-lexical verbs 2, 1 is take, and de-lexical verbs 3, have and take. Let us see the example of give. हम give को यूज़ करते हैं noises के साथ give a cry, give a laugh, give a scream, give a shout, give a whistle. facial expressions के साथ भी हम यूज़ करते हैं smile, a grin, a look, a glance. hitting के साथ हम यूज़ करते हैं a kick, a punch, a slap, a push, अ नॉक, अ ब्लो, इन सबको हम गिव के साथ यूज़ करते हैं। अफेक्शनेट एक्शंस, गिव अ हग, गिव अ किस, गिव अ स्ट्रोक। टॉकिंग के साथ गिव सम एडवाइस, गिव एन आंसर, गिव सम इंफॉर्मेशन। और हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं गिव अ पीस ऑफ एडवाइस, some piece of information, an interview, a lecture, give some news, give a report, give a speech, give a talk, give a warning। कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स हैं। She gave a loud laugh, John gave a happy smile, he gave me a nasty kick on the leg, she gave the children a good night kiss and put them to bed, I have to give a speech at the meeting tomorrow। उसके बाद मेक की बात करें और हम मेक को यूज़ करते हैं टॉकिंग एंड साउंड्स के साथ। मेक अ कमेंट, मेक एन इंक्वायरी, मेक अ नॉइज, मेक अ पॉइंट, मेक अ प्रॉमिस, मेक अ साउंड, मेक अ स्पीच, मेक अ सजेशन। प्लान्स के साथ मेक अरेंजमेंट्स, मेक अ चॉइस, make a decision, make a plan, make plans, make an appointment, make a date, try not to make a noise, they made arrangements to meet the next day। go के some और example देख लो। we also use go as a lexical verb, shall we go swimming this afternoon or shall we go for a walk, mom and dad have gone shopping, we are going dancing tonight, do you want to come। we use go with ing verbs for common activities, we usually go walking at the weekend, he goes running every evening after supper, mom is out, she has gone shopping। we use go for with verbs to do with moving, a jog, a ride, a swim, a run, a stroll, a walk। I want to get out of here, let's go for a walk, he has gone for a ride on his bike। The lexical verbs 7. Go, we use do with ing nouns to do with work, especially work in the house, it's your turn to do the cooking, you do the washing up and I'll do the drying, and with other nouns to do with work, I need to do a few jobs around the house, I can't come out this evening, I have a lot of work to do। हम डू का इस्तेमाल तब भी करते हैं नाउन्स के साथ जब हमें पता होता है कि एक्शन क्या है। इट इज़ ऑब्वियस मीन्स जब हमें ये क्लियर होता है या जब हम ये जानते हैं कि एक्शन क्या है। आई विल हैव टू डू माई हेयर बिफोर वी गो आउट, I will have to brush my hair। Have you done your teeth? Have you cleaned your teeth? A question like have you done the car could mean have you washed the car, have you mended the car, have you put petrol in the car। तो इसी के साथ हमारा ये वीडियो समाप्त होता है। होप करता हूँ कि आपको ये पसंद आया होगा, और आपको किसी भी तरह का डाउट होगा तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में अपना कमेंट रख सकते हैं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।